All right, Sam, tell us what you got.
This is Frankie, or Mercy, not sure which, but it's going to be known as the Golden Idiot. And we're going to be putting these on.
Give us a mock-up. Put that next to it. Roll one up to it. Excellent. That's where the lift goes. Perfect. Awesome.
We can put down more glue.
Yep.
What are these? What is this foam for?
Sound deadening.
Oh.
Jinx.
Nope.
Doesn't even fit in between.
Nope.
Oh man, we might
Here.
have to take some stuff off.
Here, get one side. Yeah.
Hmm. Gambler500. Yeah.
Watch him need to cut the whole fender.
Nah.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's great. All right, let me show you what's going on. We have taken out the strut, as you can see, and there it is up there. Made a template for it, and then we use that to cut out pieces from there, and used a piece of pipe, which is galvanized, unfortunate, but there you go, to create a 2-inch lift. And right up in there is the spindle we created. Let's get some light on that. With little engineering, did some work, put some bolts in, got it to match up here. Now we just need a spacer because that wheel, that tire, hits that shock mount. Got to adjust and create a mount for the brake line, and then we should be good to go.